Simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe habits, general truths, and actions that happen regularly or are permanent. The structure is, for singular subjects, he, she, it. Subject plus verb, with an S at the end, plus object. For plural subjects, I, you, we, they. Subject plus verb, without an S. Example sentences, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. She goes to school every day. They play football on weekends. The sun rises in the east. He reads a book every night. We live in a big city. Additional notes. Use the simple present to talk about routines like daily activities or things that always happen. Remember to add s or s to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. He brushes his teeth every morning. She watches TV after dinner. It rains a lot in the winter. Subscribe, share, and give a like.